Alright guys, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel once again. Today this is going to be the first ever unboxing thing here in this channel. And being a student, I will be unboxing a very different kind of thing that you have never seen before in any kind of YouTube channel. This is going to be the unboxing of this semester ticket what you get when you are enrolled to any German university. But at first, let's just unbox this semester ticket, and after that I will be talking about what is this semester ticket, what are the benefits of the semester ticket, and when you are in Germany as a student, what all you can get through the semester ticket and how you can use it. So let's now jump into this unboxing thing. So this is the semester ticket I was talking about, and this is going to be the Ausweis, or known as the identity card for this. You need to cut it out. I'll be cutting it out from this paper and just put it inside my wallet.
One eternity later.
So I finally unboxed my semester ticket, cutted it out, and I will just put it inside the transparent envelope that I have. This was my previous semester ticket and the ID card that I was using for the summer semester. And as the winter semester is started from the 1st of the October, I need to change my semester ticket as well. So I will just put it inside this transparent packet. As I've already told, you cannot laminate this paper. And finally I have put it inside this transparent packet or envelope, what you say. If you are already a student in Germany and watching this video, this is going to be a good reminder of you to change your semester tickets, as the previous semester ticket is no longer valid from today. Now let's talk about how much do I need to pay for getting this semester ticket. As we all know, there is no such tuition fee for studying in any public universities in Germany, but there is called a semester fees, which you need to pay. For every semester, a student has to pay a semester fee. For the winter sem in my university, this time it was 277 euros and 50 cents. And in that semester fees, you are getting this semester ticket. That's why the name semester ticket. The benefits are, you are never paying for the public transports that you are using around the states. Okay, so it depends on the university to university, and for my university it's in the NRW state of the Germany, so I can travel in any place, in any city which is inside, which falls under the NRW state. For example, I think it's around 76 cities that I can travel for free, either by the train, bus or tram, but definitely not by the bullet trains, otherwise known as the ICE. You can take any tram, any bus or any train that does not belongs to the ICE. Obviously the bus and the trains does not belong to ICE. Some of the trains are the ICE, that you need to keep in mind that those trains are not free. And not only for traveling, there are many benefits of this semester ticket. You can show this semester ticket to any restaurants and say them that you are a student, so you can get some kind of discounts. Now there is a very interesting question, that can we get the semester fees back? Yes, it's possible. You can get your semester fees back. Our university provides around 178 euros back to the students. If there is something called Students' Union inside the university, otherwise known as the ASTA. In our university, the ASTA provides the opportunity to get the semester fees back. If you apply for the financial hardship. So in this semester we are getting 178 euros back. If anybody knows much more things or much more benefits that I have discussed or told you in this video, please write it down in the comment section below, that all the other students get to know and they can enjoy the benefits of the semester ticket. So this is all about the semester ticket in this video. Till then, stay safe, bye bye, namaskar, and we will see each other on the next video. Till then, signing off.